Okay, so first to create like the fade in text effect, we're gonna need our text. And then you can apply like any effects onto it. So like low there, and then you can adjust the settings. Alright, so then when you have your text, you're gonna want to create the animation. You click on the text layer and you like expand it, and then you click this animate button. And then to do the fade in, you're gonna want to click opacity. Range. To get the range selector, so if you want to fade it in from like here, or if you just want to fade it in from all the way from 0 opacity, just set a keyframe, and then for 0 for the start keyframe, and then 100 for the end keyframe, and basically that will fade in the character inside range selector. And then you're going to want to do advanced, and then you're going to want to change characters to words, and then it will do it with the words, and it's pretty simple.